Welcome back to Making Sense of Real Estate. Bill Jones, Maximum Results Realty, and it is time for your Monday market update. It is December already, December 5th to be exact. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the numbers, Tiffin, Seneca County area. We're also going to look at some numbers, Findlay, Hancock area then as well. We are live. If you have any questions, shoot them in there. Let us know if you got something you want us to talk about in the future. We'll go over those. I'm going to go over briefly what's available, homes for sale, and what you're going to get in each price point in Tiffin area. I'm going to look at some bigger numbers in the Tiffin, Hancock area then too, because we get this question a lot. What does the market, rates are up, things seem scary for a home buyer, even home sellers. What's the market looking like? So we're going to look at the overall trends over the last several years. I'm going to make this real quick here. It's only going to be a couple minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can see what can you get then. What's the best place to go to find a home? Our website, 419homesearch.com. It plugs in all the MLS data from multiple MLSs. We'll show you what's there. So, of course, I'm trying to go live here and is not wanting to load up here. Here we go. All right. So last week from the 28th of November through the 5th of December, we've actually lost a little bit of ground in the, what's available here. We'll just go right through it then. So active properties, we've got 41, exact same as last week. Last week we had 19 active properties, meaning that they didn't have an accepted offer on them. This week we've got 22 contingent properties, 19. Last week we had 22. So what that means, and right now we've got 41 active properties, but only 22 of them are not already under contract. What can you buy? 100,000 or less. There's only two, same as last week. 1 to 200,000 is by far our biggest category. Hopefully you're looking there because there's 15 properties down from 12 the week before. Again, that's 1 to 200,000. There's 15 properties. 2 to 300,000, 5, exact same as last week. 3 to 400,000 is 0, same as the week before. 400,000 plus, again, 0. So 22 active properties this week, 19 last week. So not a big difference. So there's 7 properties that came on the market. We only went up by 3, meaning a lot of those are under contract already. Had one back on the market. Let's see, we've got 5 price reductions. 5 properties went under contract and 4 that have sold. So if I go to the data here, we'll look at this briefly. I'm going to make it real quick. Stats in from this last week. What do those sold properties look like? On average, 3-bed, 2-bath, on the market for about $177,000. Listing price per square foot, $106 a square foot. Again, this is Tiffin, Seneca County area. Selling price, almost $180,000 on average, about $100 a square foot, and 29 days on market. So I'm going to look briefly at bigger numbers here then too. So we're going to go back 3 years. I'm going to share my screen into that then. So this is our Info Sparks. The kind of the darker colored line here is Findlay area. Blue colored line is Tiffin area. So what is available? People are scared. Buyers are a little bit fretful of the interest rates. Sellers, there's not as much activity as what there once were. I shouldn't say everybody's scared. There's a few people that have questions. I guess we'll put it that way. So this is back 3 years ago. Sales price on average, we're in Tiffin, 112,000. Findlay, we're up to 193. Go up about a year, we're up to 205 in Findlay. Actually, we'll go up to this a little bit farther here. Yeah, 205 range in Findlay and about 141 in Tiffin. Go back again. We're here January of this year, 239. I'm sorry, this is of last year. And then 161 up to right now on average, 258,000 in the Findlay area on average sales price, and Tiffin about 160. So as you can see, 3 years running here, we've been up, 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 up. If you zoom out, if you look at the real micro and, the day to day, the week to week, there's a lot of ups and downs. Those charts can look scary, but if if you really do zoom out, just like the stock market, like anything else, it doesn't look as intimidating. So closed sales, again, been holding fairly steady for the most part, days on market. So much more inventory here once upon a time. So our days on market went from, this is about, COVID time frame. We're looking at 60 to 75 days on market, go all the way down to today, this month. We're on average 47 to 49 days on market. That 30 to 40 days is fairly common a lot of times. Month supply, I'll come back to that. Let's go here. Price per square foot. Again, if you look on average, we're going back 3 years, just continues to go up. We're down to $100 or $70, 107 to 80. 130 to 100. Up to this last month there were 136 and 103 respectively, price per square foot, which again is holding pretty common to what we're looking at. Up 10% in Findlay, up 5%. Again, looking over, just the last month then for the most part. Month supply, you'll see these charts are kind of going every which way then too. So 3 years ago, we had almost 7 months of inventory. What we call that is the absorption rate, how quickly our property is being absorbed by the market. So home comes up for sale. How long does it take for it to go under contract? If I'm looking to buy a home, if no more new homes come on the market, back 3 years ago, we had 4 months of inventory in Findlay, 7 months in Tiffin. Back about again a year here, we're 3 months and 4 months. Keep following that graph all the way down to right now. We've only got less than 2 months of inventory. So if no new homes came on the market, we would be completely out of homes to sell. I mean, there would be no homes for sale in 2 months' time. So we need those new homes to come on the market in order to get, try to keep it at what we call, I guess, a balanced market. So that in a nutshell is going to kind of show you. So pricing continues to go up. Total, median, and average price per square foot. Again, median and average continues to roll on up there in both markets. Days on market continuing to go down. The demand is still there, even with interest rates being what they are. The rate, the demand is still there. So that's it for your Monday market update. Come back next Monday. We'll come back with more data. And we'll keep on making sense of real estate. We'll talk with you soon.